The pen paused midair as the police officer stood on the quiet suburban street, sunlight catching the badge on her chest while a single father waited with his head lowered, knowing one small mistake could ripple through his already fragile life. What began as a routine ticket, written on a calm afternoon, was about to turn into a moment that neither of them would ever forget, because sometimes grace arrives when you least expect it, wearing a uniform and carrying a clipboard. Before the story unfolds any further, take a second to reflect on how small acts of kindness can change lives. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and unexpected turns of fate, please like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel KNH Stories so more heartfelt stories like this can reach the world. He had not planned to be late that day. Life as a single dad rarely followed plans. Between packing lunches, braiding his daughter's hair with clumsy fingers, and racing against a clock that never seemed to care, he was always one step behind. That afternoon, the reason he was pulled over was painfully ordinary. An expired registration. Something he had meant to fix weeks ago, but the cost had been pushed aside for groceries, school shoes, and keeping the lights on. As the officer reviewed his information, he stared at the pavement, feeling the familiar weight of failure pressing against his chest. He was a good man, but good men could still drown under responsibilities they never asked for. His daughter stood beside him, small hands clasped in front of her, eyes wide with innocent curiosity. She did not understand tickets or fines or the way money could stretch thin and tear. She only knew that her father's shoulders looked heavier than usual. The officer noticed this too. She had seen hundreds of drivers, heard every excuse imaginable, but something about the quiet dignity of this man, and the way the child leaned close to him, softened her professional distance. She read the report carefully, her pen moving slower than routine required. The officer herself carried invisible weight. Long shifts, missed holidays, and the loneliness that came from choosing a job built on authority instead of warmth. She had learned to be firm, to keep her guard up, because empathy could cloud judgment. Yet standing there, she felt that old reminder tug at her heart, the reason she had joined the force in the first place. To protect, to serve, and sometimes to understand. The neighborhood was peaceful, the kind of place where lives quietly unfolded behind closed doors, and she could sense that this man's story was not one of recklessness, but of endurance. As she wrote, the single dad's mind spiraled. A ticket meant cutting something else out of their lives. Maybe fewer meals out, maybe postponing the school trip his daughter had been excited about. He felt ashamed, not because he was guilty, but because he was tired. Tired of explaining, tired of trying to be enough for a world that never paused. He did not plead or argue. He simply waited, accepting what he believed was inevitable. Then the atmosphere shifted in a way that felt almost cinematic. The officer looked up from the paper, her expression no longer rigid, but thoughtful. She took in the scene again, the quiet street, the man trying to hold himself together, the child offering silent strength. In that moment, professionalism met humanity. She finished writing, but not the way he expected. What she said next was not flirtation or a joke, but a reminder that compassion could exist even within rules. She told him that if life had placed him differently, if he were not already bound by commitments and responsibilities, she might have written more than just a ticket. What she truly offered was respect, admiration, and a spark of hope he had not felt in years. She reduced the penalty, explained a payment plan, and added guidance instead of judgment. The paper in his hands felt lighter than it should have. He looked up, meeting her eyes for the first time, and saw not authority, but understanding. The ticket was still real, the consequences still there, but so was the reminder that someone saw him not as a problem, but as a person. The days that followed were different, not because his struggles disappeared, but because something inside him shifted. That brief encounter became a quiet fuel. He worked a little harder, smiled a little more, and carried himself with renewed dignity. He started believing that the world had room for grace, even for someone like him. His daughter noticed too. She laughed more, hugged him tighter, and in her simple way, reflected the hope he was learning to reclaim. The officer returned to her routines, but the memory stayed with her as well. In a job that often demanded emotional armor, that moment reminded her why kindness mattered. She understood that sometimes, the most powerful thing she could give was not enforcement, but encouragement. The world did not need fewer rules, it needed more humanity within them. As time passed, the single dad slowly rebuilt stability. He fixed the registration, found better footing at work, and learned to ask for help without shame. That one afternoon became a turning point, not because someone saved him, but because someone believed in him when he had stopped believing in himself. The officer never entered his life again, yet her presence lingered like a quiet blessing, proof that brief encounters could leave lasting marks. If this story has started to touch something inside you, if it reminds you of a moment when kindness arrived unexpectedly in your own life, please take a second near the end of this video to like it, share it, and support the channel. KNH Stories, so more real, emotional stories can be told. Before the ending, we have a special request for you. Please comment below and tell us what this story made you feel, or share a moment when a stranger's compassion changed your life. Your words might inspire someone who needs hope today. In the end, this was never just a story about a ticket or a uniform. It was about how a single sentence, spoken at the right moment, can remind a struggling soul that they are seen. It was about a father learning that strength sometimes comes from being understood, and an officer remembering that authority and kindness can walk side by side.